Have you ever felt a pang of hesitation when handing over your bank login information to an app? Especially when it's not your bank's official app? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of Wealthsimple and Flinks, specifically whether Flinks is a secure way to connect your bank account to Wealthsimple. We all know the convenience of linking our financial accounts. It streamlines investing, keeps everything in one place, and lets us track our progress effortlessly. But with convenience often comes a question of security. Wealthsimple is a popular investment platform in Canada, and for good reason. But when it comes to connecting your bank account, they rely on third-party services like Flinks. So, what exactly is Flinks, and how safe is it to use? Flinks is a financial data aggregator. In simpler terms, it acts as a middleman between your bank and Wealthsimple. Instead of giving Wealthsimple your login credentials directly, you log into your bank account through Flinks' secure platform. This way, Wealthsimple can access your financial information without ever seeing your actual password. Sounds secure, right? Well, that's the idea. Flinks uses industry-standard security measures like data encryption and multi-factor authentication. They also undergo regular security audits to ensure their systems are up to par. But security is about more than fancy tech jargon. Here's where things get interesting. There's always a healthy dose of skepticism when it comes to handing over any kind of financial data. After all, data breaches happen, and even the most secure systems can have vulnerabilities. Here's where your comfort level comes in. Some people might be perfectly okay with using Flinks. They trust the security measures in place and appreciate the convenience it offers. On the other hand, some might prefer to stay extra cautious. They might choose to manually transfer funds instead of linking their bank account, or they might seek out investment platforms that offer alternative methods. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about what makes you feel secure with your hard-earned money. So, is Flinks safe on Wealthsimple? Based on the security measures they have in place, it appears to be. However, the decision of whether to use it ultimately comes down to your personal comfort level. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Do your research on Flinks security practices. Make sure you're on Flinks' official website before logging in. Be wary of phishing attempts. Never give out your login information to anyone claiming to be from Flinks or Wealthsimple. Consider using a strong, unique password for your bank account and enable two-factor authentication if available. Ultimately, you're in control of your financial data. By understanding the way Flinks works and the security measures in place, you can make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.